How to delete a Wi-Fi network on Windows 11. First, right-click on the Start button and then select Settings. In the Settings window, on the left-hand sidebar, click on Network and Internet. This is where all your network connections are managed. On the right side, under the Network and Internet section, click on Wi-Fi. This will show you your current Wi-Fi status and options. On the Wi-Fi settings page, click on Manage Known Networks. This will display a list of all the Wi-Fi networks your computer has connected and set. Scroll through the list of known networks and find a specific Wi-Fi network you want to delete. Once you have found the network, click on the Forget button that appears next to its name. The Wi-Fi network will now be deleted from your Windows 11 computer's saved networks list. Your PC will no longer automatically try to connect to it. So that's how you can delete a Wi-Fi network in Windows 11. Thanks for watching.